Hey guys, it's Shubho. I'm back with another video, and this time we are going to learn how to turn your own signature into a watermark in Photoshop. Now, I make videos about Photoshop, Lightroom and photography, so if you don't want to miss out, please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell notification so you don't miss on any future videos. With that said, let's go to the screen. So, as you can see, I have my signature over here, which I wrote it down, which I did on a piece of paper, and I took a photograph and I put it up here. Now I will usually use my graphics tablet for these kind of work, which at this moment is plugged into my PC. But if you don't have a graphics tablet, which I assume will be the lot of you, so you will use your trusty sketch pen and you will write your signature and you will click a picture with your phone and bring it to your computer and open it in Photoshop, because that's where the magic happens. With that said, we are going to do some work. So first things first, I'm going to crop this image because I don't like this shadow over here. Right now it's on 1:1 ratio. Doesn't really matter what the ratio is because this is not an important step. I just did it because I didn't like that shadow. So now if you want to make any kind of changes, you're going to go to filter, camera raw filter, the shortcut for which is shift control A, and it opens, and you're going to go to white balance auto, and it makes it warm for some reason. Just make it right over here, and it's okay. Now we are going to delete the background. So for that, I'll just keep a thing over here, so when I delete it I can know. I'm going to select, I'm going to color range and select this, which is now in white. The selection is in white. Okay, I selected the wrong layer. I selected this layer instead of selecting this layer, but we'll just do it again. So we're going to go to color range, click over here, hit OK, and we're going to hit delete. And if I hide this layer and deselect it, you can see that I just have my signature, nothing else. Okay, with that done, we are going to select this and work with it. So we're just going to take a new layer and put it up over here because that's what I want to do. So now we are going to go to select, and let's go to color range, and we are going to select this. As you can see, the selection is white. Hit OK, and now it's selected. Then we are just going to use the black color because that's what the color we need to do. And I'm going to use the select this because this selection is still here. I'm going to hit it and I'm going to fill paint bucket, and now I have this thing. Hit Ctrl D, and as you can see, if I still want some more color, I can just fill it up manually. Okay, that's that. And the color is not going out of outside the selection because it's selected and it's not go outside the selection. Hit Ctrl D, and now you have essentially a a painting of your selection. With this done, you're going to edit, and you will go to define brush preset, and you will name it whatever you want. Let's name it Sign 2 because I already have one created, and hit OK. And now you have your brush. Now if I go to open and I open this picture, this is one of my favorite pictures, and you see you have this very beautiful photo that I have taken. Follow me on my Instagram for more photos. Yes, so now I can have the black painting, and I can have, let's make it full opacity and flow 100 and everything. And let's take the brush tool, and now I have this, and I can put it over here, but this looks ugly. Control Z because I don't want it. If I want to change the color, I can always do that. Red, now it's a red color. Control Z, but I don't want that, so I will just reverse the color Just go to the default color, reverse the color, and now I have a white. This might look better, but for that I need to increase the opacity and the size of the image. So size of the brush, pardon. And now if I would just make it a little bit more opaque here, this looks kinda, it doesn't look as offensive, but it's also there so you can see it. And this can be done with anything, and you can do it in any color. So let's make it green, maybe, I don't know. Does it look good? I don't think so. So that's how you make your own brush with your own signature. You can make this any color, any opacity, and it will work. Why it will work? Because it's a brush now. Okay, enough of that. And this video ends here. If you like this video, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any other videos. I will be coming back with another video very soon, so stay tuned. And share this with your friends. If anybody is a photographer looking to watermark their photos, this is how you do it. Share it with your friends. Thank you. We'll see you in the next one.